If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. The future of luxury business. Imagine walking into a Gucci store in 2030. You try on a handbag using AR, verify its authenticity with blockchain, confirm it was made with lab-grown leather, and purchase it as an NFT that appreciates in value. Sounds like science fiction? It's actually happening right now. Today we are looking forward. How is the luxury business transforming? And what will determine which brands survive the next decade? The luxury industry is at an inflection point. The same brands that built centuries-old heritage now face challenges that would have been unimaginable 5 years back. Today, we'll decode 3 forces that are reshaping the luxury business and reveal which strategies will separate the winners from the casualties. The sustainability imperative. Let's start with the challenge that's reshaping everything. Sustainability demands efficiency, transparency, and circular thinking. So how are the leading brands responding to this? Hermès is investing in lab-grown leather alternatives while maintaining their heritage of French craftsmanship. Kering is setting science-based sustainability targets across all its brands, making environmental performance a competitive advantage rather than just a compliance. LVMH is launching the Life 360 program, integrating circular economy principles while maintaining their portfolio's growth trajectory. The digital transformation challenge. The second force? Digital transformation that goes beyond just selling online. Luxury brands traditionally relied on physical experience. The weight of a Cartier watch, the smell of leather in an Hermès boutique, the personal service of dedicated sales associates. It's about using the breakthrough innovations, like virtual try-ons. Brands like Dior now offer AR experiences that let customers virtually try products before visiting stores, enhancing rather than replacing the physical experience. Blockchain authentication. Luxury brands are using blockchain to create digital certificates of authenticity, turning verification into a premium service while combating counterfeiting. Digital collectibles. The Supreme into Louis Vuitton collaboration that we discussed in one of our previous episodes has evolved. Brands are now creating limited digital assets and NFTs that carry the same collectible dynamics as physical products. So let's talk about who the new luxury consumer is. The new luxury consumer values experiences over ownership, prioritizes authenticity over heritage, chooses purpose-driven brands, discovers luxury through social media and not traditional advertising, sees luxury as self-expression and not just status signaling. The rise of quiet luxury. Brands like Brunello Cucinelli and The Row emphasize quality over logos, and they are gaining market share amongst the sophisticated customers. Limited drop culture. Borrowing some streetwear, luxury brands now create artificial scarcity through limited releases that generate social media buzz and are immediate sellouts. Collaborative luxury. High-low collaborations like Jacquemus into Nike or Bottega Veneta into Crocs that blur the traditional luxury boundaries. So what are our predictions for the next decade? Looking ahead, we see 3 major shifts. First, heritage will become more dynamic. Instead of static history, successful brands will create living heritage. Second, luxury will bifurcate further. We'll see ultra-luxury brands becoming even more exclusive and expensive. Third, purpose will become the new heritage. Brands that align with global challenges, climate change, social justice, technological ethics, will create new forms of luxury prestige. It isn't about choosing between tradition and innovation. It's about using tradition as a foundation for intelligent innovation. The brands that we have discussed, from Hermès manufacturing control to LVMH strategic massification to Patek Philippe's generational messaging, succeeded because they understood this balance. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.